VMware Zimbra version 8 is a browser-based enterprise-class email, calendar and collaboration platform for the post-PC era. With over 85 million paid commercial mailboxes and more than 55,000 members registered in the open-source community, Zimbra continues to build momentum. The commercial version of Zimbra has been deployed across 250,000 organizations as a software-as-a-service model. There's also an open-source version that contains a subset of the commercial version's functionality. The Zimbra platform works for both small companies with as few as 50 employees or large organizations with tens of thousands of mailboxes. Zimbra customers can be found in over 135 countries across several verticals. H&R Block is our largest business customer with more than 140,000 mailboxes, and about half of those use our archive and discovery solution for legal compliance. Right here at VMware, we're in the process of migrating the company from Exchange to Zimbra. We're over halfway there. SMB and SME markets, including companies like Skechers and Red Hat, use Zimbra corporate-wide for a few thousand users. O'Reilly Media is one of our smaller clients, taking advantage of a single installation that covers a few hundred users across multiple locations. In the government space, we offer full support for SMIME, digital signatures, and CAC authorization that are so critical to security. One of our strengths has always been in the education space. Large universities like Georgia Tech, Texas A&M, and University of Pennsylvania use Zimbra campus-wide for faculty, staff, and students. In the service provider market, Comcast is an example of our largest installation with over 26 million consumer mailboxes. India Times and NTT Communications are also examples of service providers that host both consumer and business mailboxes. All of these customers run the same commercial version of the software, illustrating the scalability and reliability of Zimbra. Users will be familiar with a core set of communication and collaboration applications. Mail, calendar, contacts, tasks, and now in version 8, voice, are all accessible across a diverse set of endpoint devices. Public and private cloud options are available to help organizations transition to the cloud model of their choice, or to transition between models if requirements change. Zimbra now offers both an appliance and a server deployment version. Both are identical in terms of features and price. The appliance can be installed on any existing virtual environment, eliminating the learning curve for IT administrators that are most familiar with Exchange or Windows environments. An OVA or OVF file is deployed on the existing virtual infrastructure. For those that are Linux savvy, we offer the Server Edition. The administrator installs the Linux distribution of choice and follows up with the Zimbra install. The feature-rich Ajax web client mirrors the majority of the features found in an offline client like Outlook or Apple Desktop, while allowing many third-party integration options. For example, you can integrate with phone and voicemail systems like Cisco or Mitel and external CRM systems like Salesforce. The web client runs on any browser. Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox and Safari are all supported. If connectivity is ever an issue, we also offer an HTML version to access mail, calendars and contacts quickly. Zimbra Desktop is the offline version of the web client. It is available for Windows, iOS and Linux systems. For users who want to continue using their existing client, such as Outlook, we offer a plugin that does not change the look and feel of that client. In fact, the plugin allows you to synchronize information, including all the rules and filters, between the existing client, the Zimbra server, and the Zimbra web client. We also support the Apple Desktop, Thunderbird, Eudora, and other standards-based clients. Executive admins who manage various calendars can now see multiple shared calendars and send on behalf of replies. External directories can be configured, like Active Directory, for authentication, global address list, and single sign-on. Any Active Sync-capable smartphones and tablets, whether iOS, Windows, or Android, can sync over the air with a Zimbra server. For BlackBerry users, we do offer sync support, but you will need a Windows server running BlackBerry Enterprise or Express with a Zimbra plugin. Zimbra is a fully multi-node, multi-tenant application with complete web administration capabilities in the console. Class of service and self-service administration are also available. Migration utilities allow you to import data from any system to Zimbra. Between the migration wizards and IMAP Sync, all of your calendar and contacts information can be seamlessly transferred. Out-of-the-box features allow for easy identity management. If you use Kerberos, SAML or OAuth, there is a compatible single sign-on framework, as well as integration with VMware Horizon. Role-based security, email signatures, and encryption are all supported. Zimbra also offers an archiving and discovery product where a locked copy of every email message, both incoming and outgoing, is saved. This can be a crucial feature for healthcare and government organizations that may receive legal inquiries. Is Zimbra right for your company? Download a free 60-day trial for the appliance or server edition at zimbra.com/downloads. To contact our sales team, email us at sales@zimbra.com.